Good afternoon, babies. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making stewed or smothered potatoes. Okay? Now I cut up some potatoes, but I'm just going to show you how I cut it, the sizes I cut the potatoes in. Hope everybody's doing well in the midst of this pandemic, staying in the house or practicing social distancing and washing your hands especially. So we're cutting up the potatoes and I'm finished with those. We're also going to put an onion in. That's the edges. I started cutting it. And for the seasoning, I'll be using Creole seasoning, Adobo. This is onion powder, oregano, garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, and some butter. Okay? So I'm going to pour the water off of the potatoes. In the pan, in the pot I mean. Gonna turn on the fire. Add some water. You don't want to cover the potatoes fully. Because you want them to stew a little bit. You don't want them to be watery. So that's enough. Then you're going to add the seasoning. Excuse me, the seasoning. More of the seasoning, I'm sorry, y'all. Now I'm going to let this come to a boil, and I'll come back and show you when it's boiling. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, babies, I'm back. Now, they've been boiling for about 8 minutes, the potatoes, and I'm going to let them boil a little bit more because you got to touch them with a fork, and they're still not soft enough. Okay, so I'm going to let them boil for another maybe 3 minutes or so. And I'll be right back and show you the final result. Okay. Okay, babies, I'm back. This is the finished results of my stewed or smothered potatoes. I'm just gonna put in a little bit of paprika just to garnish it. I'm sorry, y'all, not paprika, parsley to garnish it. And there you have it, stewed potatoes. I'm just gonna make a plate real quick for y'all. I made some spinach along with it and some fried chicken wing sections. So I'm just gonna make a little plate so you can see how it really turned out, how it looks. This is what you want. You want gravy with it. Oh, look how nice that looks. Looks so good. My family loves stewed potatoes or smothered potatoes. And this is the finished result. I hope you try this recipe. It's so simple and easy, and it goes good with chicken, pork, beef, or anything. And it tastes delicious. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to watch my daughter's channel, Kaya Monet. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.